they lost, medyo yung chance natin to get into the semifinals parang medyo mas humira. Kasi I think you will need to win against Malaysia and
Vietnam.
So, paano to?
Kami nga, we were talking, ako, si Gia, si Gretchel, si Jaja, na parang it's all under 23 all over again. Parang yung feeling na parang it's a new team and new experience. So definitely, syempre every game naman we learn a lot of things talaga. Not only inside the court, syempre dapat kailangan din namin matuto kung ano yung mga composure, maturity inside the court. So ayun, kailangan talaga naming mag-work. Pero it's not yet the end eh. It's just the beginning. Sabi nga nila, the beginning is the hardest. So kailangan namin i-push pa yung sarili namin and maniwala and believe talaga and trust each other para magawa namin lahat nung ano. Para isang galaw lang, we should trust each other.
Paano to? Game against Malaysia?
Malaysia tomorrow? Well, we're not expecting anything. I think we're gonna train this afternoon para ma-process namin, ma-analyze namin kung ano yung mga mistakes namin nagawa namin. So, kailangan talaga namin mag-work as a team tomorrow and all out talaga. It's para sa bayan talaga and para sa lahat ng naniniwala sa ating lahat.